Alright, so first things first, you can come in here, you can go down to settings, you'll see his 301 redirects he did. Open it in a new tab. Then go into here on rank math, manage redirections, open that one in a new tab. Some of these are dead links we probably need to make. So for example, we're going to sort these here by the number of hits. That's going the wrong way. Alright, so Snow Camp, Alamance County homes for sale. We know that works. How do I know? Because if I go into subdivisions and suburbs, go into here, I know I have a Snow Camp one. Right here. URL structure, if I want to click on it, I can click from here. I can see it's Snow Camp Randolph County because Snow Camp's divided into two. Now I'm going to look right here. I'm going to see if there's anything about Snow Camp. So look, we've already done something with Snow Camp. A lot of these are going to be stuff that is jacked up because of where it's at. So source destination would be the one I just had. Make sure it's the whole stinking thing. Alright, we want to ignore the case off of it. And then you're going to copy and paste that part. Alright. We're going to go here, add that, go like that. Now, if you go contains, it's going to have anything that contains of that. See, we want to stay on exact unless it's something weird. And then if there's something else on that list that is related to the Snow Camp one, we could add that to it. There's not that many. So there we go. There's that. Permanent move, yes. Add redirection. Oh, sorry. Add redirection. So that's how we would redo something. I don't know why this redirects to here. So see this one? This one would be wrong. This Eden Homes for sale. I bet you we don't have Eden as a house. Exactly what it is. So like the Cornelius one that's on here. Cornelius, we don't have that. So if you set that up like I did this manual home finder search one and do it for Cornelius, then you could have a redirect that actually goes to Cornelius Homes for. Hope that makes sense. The rest of them are subdivisions, so you can look to see if they're there. If it's a high school, we don't have it, whatever. Like this Cummins one, I guarantee you it's that dot that's screwed up somewhere. There also, you can find all these, or should be able to find all of these in the SEMrush.